In 2015, NASA had also sought out someone who combined knowledge of a programming language with that which has gone into oblivion from technological history. Fortran and assembly bygone creative systems, unknown to today's fresh graduates, becomes a member of this exclusive group responsible for the cosmic dance performed by Voyager's space probes. Amazingly, both Voyagers still use the same 50-year-old computers with only 70 kilobytes of memory, but this seemingly trivial capacity proved just enough to maneuver probes through our celestial neighborhood and reveal stunning cosmic secrets. No surprises there, since the Voyager computers are getting too old and begin to give problems. Recently, for example, Voyager 1 sent back perplexing telemetry data concerning its orientation in space, as well raising signs that erosion was beginning on its directional thrusters. With Voyager scheduled to die in space 15 billion miles away, the dedicated group launched a cosmic salvage mission. With a software update up their sleeve, they set out on the mission to unravel Voyager's 3 major computer systems. The first computer, the Mastro or conductor, leads and regulates all major instruments, regulating health and temperature of probe's core system, in addition acting as master central monitor for plugins to trees. The second, which determines Voyager's orientation, its antenna always pointed at Earth, scans for predetermined celestial landmarks so that the thrusters keep holding it steady. Finally, the third computer stores and processes scientific data and images taken by Voyager's instruments. Lacking an operating system and with only 70 kb of space to operate in, Voyager's computer required innovative efficiency. During Voyager's encounter with Neptune, engineers remembered back to how they had rewritten the code for dimmer light conditions. Given the scarcity of memory space, these adaptations were essential. From its daunting location 15 billion miles away, updating Voyager is no minor task. Voyager's memory, made up of plated wire, in a tangled web-like structure, holds its code as a sequence of ones and zeros. Efficiency is paramount, with engineers resorting to both basic machine code and pseudocode shortcuts facilitating repetitive tasks without excessive memory consumption. However, crafting Voyager's code in one's own zeros is beyond human capacity. Hence, assembly language, with a sprinkle of Fortran, serves as a more comprehensible intermediary before being compiled into machine code. Transmission of the update to Voyager is a test of patience, with a rate of 16 bits per second and nearly a day for the data to traverse the cosmic expanse. Voyager's interrupt-driven computers halt routine tasks upon receiving an update, diligently incorporating the new instructions into their memory grid. Ensuring accuracy, the code is scrutinized before normal operations resume. Voyager's longevity is a testament to the periodic software updates and patches it has received over the years. These digital lifelines have not only averted potential disasters, but also enhanced the probe's functionality. Stories abound, from a 1995 update that saved failing components to a 2010 correction that realigned the cosmic clock disrupted by a single flipped bit. As we marvel at these extraordinary tales, it becomes clear that Voyager's endurance, made possible by physical wires, transistors, and hardware still functioning as intended, transforms it into a timeless icon of human ingenuity. Through the cosmic dance of space exploration, Voyager pirouettes gracefully, a testament to the boundless possibilities of our collective endeavors. And now, a cosmic rendezvous with the primal space giveaway awaits. The winner, like the cosmic probes themselves, embarks on a journey of discovery. Congratulations to Yasmin, the previous victor. Stay tuned for the next episode, where a bespoke, primal space-designed Voyager poster awaits its new home.